Today, me and my brother are going to be making flags with food. For different vegetables, we have different colors. So, orange is carrot, blue is blueberry, green is green capsicum, yellow is yellow capsicum, red is tomato, and white is onion. We have this square shaped tray, and we're going to put the different vegetables in to make the colors of different flags. Before we start, I want to thank my brother Ashu from the channel Amazing Stuff for inspiring this idea. One day we were cutting vegetables to help our parents for dinner, and we put all the different vegetables on one tray. We realized we could make the flag of Italy. I'll put the picture of that up on the screen here. And that basically inspired this whole video idea. So the next day we got up and we cut a bunch of different vegetables in different colors and made a bunch of different flags. So I'd really want to thank him. Please subscribe to his channel. Alright, so the first country flag me and my brother created was Switzerland. We have some tomatoes and onions. So we made a cross out of the onions and then put tomatoes in the surroundings. So this is Switzerland. Next we're going to do India. Alright, so for India we're going to need some orange in the form of carrots, some green in the form of capsicum, some blue in the form of blueberries, and of course some white in the form of onions. So we'll get to making the India flag now. Alright, so this is our India flag. Hope you enjoy it. Next we're going to get to another country flag. We haven't decided yet, so we'll get to that now. Alright, so next we're going to make a couple edits to this flag and make the Niger flag, which is really similar to India, so we'll get to that. Alright, so those changes were pretty simple. Now we have Niger, so next we're going to get to a different flag. I don't know, so me and my brother will decide. Okay, so we were cleaning up Niger and we realized if we just put some white here and some red here, we get Italy, so we're going to do that. Alright, so we have Italy. So the Italy flag is really cool with capsicum, onions, and tomatoes. Next, we're going to try another tricolor. We're thinking France, so we're going to do France next. Okay, so before we get to France, we realized if we just take this and make an adjustment, we get the flag of Hungary. So we've got Hungary's flag now. Now we'll do France for real. Bonjour, welcome to France. Alright, so we have France's flag, the classic tricolor with blueberries, onions, and tomatoes. But now what we can do, the French flag, is we can just rotate it just like this. And now we're speaking Dutch instead of French because we have the flag of the Netherlands. This is so awesome. So next we're probably going to do another tricolor to save us time. Maybe Russia, we'll try Poland. We want to use some yellow, maybe Spain. We'll see. So we'll decide what we're doing next. Alright, so we've decided next we're going to do Poland / Indonesia / Monaco. They're basically around the same thing, so we're going to do that. Alright, so we've got half onions, half tomatoes, and currently we're positioned at Poland. If we just do a little flip, we get Indonesia. If we put like some kind of shadow above this red and make it a bit darker, we'll get Monaco. So 3 flags in one. Just like this. So Poland, Indonesia, and Monaco. So next we're going to try some flag that incorporates some kind of orange and yellow. So we'll tell you when we decide what flag we're going to do next. Next we've decided on the flag of Bhutan. So Bhutan has a white dragon in the middle. That might be hard, but we'll try our best with the onions. So we're going to do that. Alright, so Bhutan's flag, the hardest flag we've done so far. We tried our best on the dragon, but it doesn't look too good. So here's my brother to explain what we really did.
So capsicum with the slant, yellow for the top slant, then orange for carrot grating for the bottom slant, then a dragon for onions in the middle. So that's what we did for Bhutan.
Alright, we tried our best at Brazil. You can see the globe here at the green thing and the yellow rhombus and then the green background. My brother was right about this. We didn't have any green to finish this. So yeah, here's Brazil. I think as a final flag, as a good challenge, I'm going to try to do the USA. It's going to be hard, but I think I'll be able to do it with a little persistence. So I'm going to do the USA next for the final flag. Alright, my final challenge has been finished. It was hard, but I got the USA. We didn't have enough onions to make the stripes here really well, but we did get some stars up there. So I think this looks pretty decent. So I hope you enjoyed all these flags we've been making. I recommend you try this out at home. It's really fun. And your parents can use it for dinner when you're done, like our parents are. So my brother was a big help in this. He actually inspired me to get this idea. So please subscribe to his channel, amazing stuff. Leave a like for this video. Turn on the bell icon for both of our channels so you get notifications. And thanks for watching. See ya!